Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh and today we are going to do the second session for the management live quiz, right? And today we are going to do 10 important questions for the FCI AGM, specifically for the principles of management section. So ये questions बार बार repeat होते हैं in many exams and that's what we are going to do today. ठीक है, बहुत repeat होते हैं. First questions, which of the following is not one among the 14 principles of management by Henry Fayol? So please go through 14 principles of management. The most important topic, अगर ये नहीं किया तो कुछ नहीं किया, right? So all the 14 principles of management, go through them if you are starting your preparations, right? So division of work, if you have already done that, it's a very it's a piece of cake for you, right? Division of work, unity of command, unity of direction, unity of team is not one of them. Scalar chain is obviously one of them. So division of work, so instead of one person doing all kinds of jobs, right? So the jobs are divided. That is what division of work says. That's what division of work says कि काम बांट लिए लोगों ने, right? लोगों ने अपने अपने काम जो है बांट लिए. That is division of work. So everybody is working according to his specialization. Unity of command, one subordinate must take directions from one superior only, right? And unity of direction, all the subordinates, all the people in the organization, they should work in that same direction. एक बहुत fine line of difference है. Unity of command, one person should take guidelines or take guidelines from one boss only. There should be only one boss. हर बंदे का एक boss होना चाहिए. Scalar chain, there should be a proper communication channel. आपने देखा होगा ना organization chart. This is the organization chart, right? So let's say this is the CEO, then this is the head of finances, right? Then this is the AVP, and these are senior managers, right? So if this person wants to convey a message to the CEO, he should go to his boss, right? And then this boss should go to his boss, and then there's a way, right? Or if this person wants to convey message to this person, there is a proper way to that. So अगर ये बंदा directly इसके पास आएगा तो ये CEO के पास कितना मैसेज आ जाएगा. So that is why there is scalar chain. Unity of team कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है. So there are 14 principles. Please go through the 14 principles of management. I have already done them in my full course. Please go to bankexamstudy.com to join the course. So the main purpose of corporate governance I have done a proper lecture. What is the purpose? To maximize the shareholder value, to separate the ownership and management control, to ensure regulatory framework are adhered to consider expectations of stakeholder. All of them are actually purpose of corporate governance. The major purpose is basically separating the ownership from the management. Who's the actual owner of who actually the promoter of company, who owns like 20%, 30%, 40% voting power. He should not be the only person who's managing the whole company, right? Otherwise the 70% जिसके पास है वो क्या करेंगे, right? So all of them. Taylor's differential piece rate system, very important question. Taylor's differential piece rate system, according to Taylor, the workers who are achieving the targets, they should be awarded, and the workers who are unable to achieve the target, they should be penalized. Reward कैसे करना है? By paying them more money. And how to punish? Giving them less money, right? Less salary. So how much? Inefficient worker, how to penalize him? Giving him 80% of the piece rate system. And to the person who performed above the standard, he should be given 120%. This is Taylor, who's the father of scientific management. This is differential piece rate system, giving different wages to the efficient and inefficient workers. ये बोलता है Taylor, FW Taylor. Motion study, time study, work study, fatigue. These are the important topics in that scientific management. Please go through them. Very important. In my next lectures I'll be covering them. The process of prospective employees, searching for prospective employees and encouraging them to apply for jobs. Whenever you are attempting a question in the exam, look for the keywords. Encouraging them to apply for the job, encouraging them to apply for the job. That is not interview, that is not selection, that is not placement, not training, that is recruitment. You are encouraging the people to apply for the job. That is recruitment. FCI AGM recruitment. What they are trying to do is they are encouraging you to apply for the job. Recruitment is a core function of HRM. The first step of the appointment. What is the target? To attract maximum number of applicants. This is a positive process. Selection process is a negative process. लोगों को निकाल रहे हैं. A general enduring statement of intent of business which reflects a belief and philosophy. Beliefs and philosophy of management. Obviously a goal objective तो नहीं है. It is one of them. Vision and mission, right? It is one of them. General enduring statement of intent of business. See, vision is something what organization want, where organization see itself. It's a overall goal after 10 years, 20 years. क्या philosophy basic वो क्या है मतलब idea क्या है? Idea behind starting the organization. Mission is somewhat specific. Mission is somewhat specific. It tells the intent of the business. Yes, I want to be the number one educator in India. Maybe this is my intent. This is my mission. May not be my vision, which is little bit specific, right? If I say that I want to make the number one, the best selling book, I want to write the best selling quantitative aptitude book. Maybe that's my mission, right? If I say I want to give free education, maybe that is a vision, right? So there is a fine line of difference between mission and vision, and the general enduring statement of intent of business which reflects the beliefs and philosophy. So intent of business, आपने intent बता दी, that is a mission. The intent of business. Vision is something that you have before having your business, your intent of business. ये बहुत important है. Mission statement is short statement of organization's purpose. What is the purpose of organization? Identifying the scope of operations, what kind of product, what kind of services, its primary customers, its geographical region. You are answering that question. Are you getting it? MBO. This is itself an important concept, management by objective. This question is not good, but the concept is important. See, let's say your organization is having a target. What MBO says that, let's say there are 10 people in your organization. I mean, I'm giving you a rough example. 10 people in the organization, 10 members in the organization. This is your organization target. So what you are doing is you are dividing the target into parts and giving it to each employee or each worker or each partner, whatever you say. And now this is the goal of that specific employee. So that is management by objective. You are dividing the goals. Okay. So defining the organizational goals. First of all, you define the organizational goals and define your employee objective, monitor the performance, evaluate a performance evaluation, provide feedback, performance appraisal. So you are aligning the organizational goals with the individual goals. Are you getting it? You are aligning it. That is MBO. It is a very important concept in the planning chapter, MBO, management by objective. The first step in the planning. I hope you have already started your preparation, and planning is an important topic. It is setting the objectives. It starts with the setting the objective. Once you start, the objectives are there, then you explore the alternative, then you evaluate the alternative, and then you make the selection of the best alternative. Then there is feedback. Which leadership style is, there is no delegation of authority. In which leadership style there is no delegation of authority? ये कौन सा style है? As the name suggests, democratic तो नहीं हो सकता. It is autocratic. the supreme power is taking all the decisions, and the people in the organization, they have no say. Okay, so this is autocratic. The subordinates are not supposed to give suggestions. They are supposed to obey the orders. The highest level need in the hierarchy of Abraham Maslow. I have already done that in my previous sessions. Please give it a look. This one, the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Start with the psychological needs, right? Physiological needs, that you need. The basic need kya hai? Air, water, food, shelter. Then you need safety of yourself and your family. You want your family to be safe. Then there is a need for love and belongingness. You need a family. You need friends. You need people around you. Then there is self-esteem needs. You want people to respect you. You want people to give you respect. You want society to give you respect. Once you get the respect, then there is self-actualization needs, right? Okay, I wanted to learn guitar. I wanted to write a book. I wanted to write a novel. This is what I always wanted to do. तो वो करते हो. This is self-actualization needs. So the highest level in the need of hierarchy, this is the self-actualization needs. Maybe this is not correct. This hierarchy is not correct. कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं. There are certain kind of people for whom self-actualization needs are more important than love and belongingness need or esteem needs. So yeah, that is a criticism of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Which one of the following is helpful in assessing the individual capacity to learn new skills? Which kind of test is helpful in assessing individual capacity to learn new skill? Is it personality test, aptitude test, trait test, intelligence test? Very confusing question. Looks simple, but it is aptitude test, the kind of test that you are appearing for your bank exams, FCI. That is an aptitude test, the cognitive aptitude or reasoning ability. There is no specific syllabus, right? It is conducted, test is conducted to find out how quickly a candidate can actually learn new skill or methods. The main advantage of functional organizational is basically specialization. You are dividing the whole organization according to the functions: sales, HR, finance. So you are dividing the whole organization according to the functions: IT department, finance department, marketing department, X, Y department. So you are dividing the departments according to the functions. Dash gives shape to the organization structure. The span of management. The span of management refers to number of subordinate that can be effectively managed by a superior. How many people one boss can handle? How many subordinates that can be handled by a superior? That is span of management. Very important concepts. Please try to understand that. Okay. And that is all. And this lecture is part of FCI AGM general administration course, in which I'm providing video classes, notes, and the test series. We are covering each and every topic, including principles of management, agriculture, and then the numerical ability, reasoning is there, computer awareness is there, and the current affairs. We are covering each and every topic. So all the links are available in the description. You can just go to bankexamstudy.com, and I can give you my WhatsApp number 90672 01000. This is my personal WhatsApp number. If you have any sort of doubt, you can just drop me a WhatsApp message and I am going to answer your doubt. And list of students who cracked RBI grade B, IBPS RRB, GBO, Bank of Maharashtra, RBI grade B 2018, Bank of Baroda, IBPS so marketing, SEBI grade A, NABARD grade A, Vijaya Bank. All these students, they took our courses and they cracked their respective exams. And I'm really happy for them. If there is any doubt in your mind, always ask your doubts in the comment section, or you can WhatsApp me and I'm going to answer all your doubts. And that's actually all for today, students. Thank you and have a very, very nice day. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. That's really important.